The goal of this lab is going to be for you to determine the optical composition of your arabinose sample. It's sort of an unknown in the sense that you don't know the composition of L and D ratio, but otherwise it's all arabinose. You will do this by determining the optical rotation of your sample, and you will have to look up the optical rotation, or I should say specific rotation of D and L arabinose enantiomers separately. And then based on those values, you should be able to determine what the enantiomeric excess or optical purity of your sample. And doing some math like I would probably demonstrate right before your lab in the lab class, you should be able to determine the composition from there.
You have to rinse out the inside of the cell with DI water. So just put some DI water in there. Make sure you get both sides. So you're going to rinse out the inside of your column with some DI water, and then fill it up with some DI for the blank, which is your first measurement. And then just like when you use your actual arabinose solution, you're also going to rinse it with arabinose first to get out any other solution or contaminant that might be in there. This is my solution of arabinose. So there's currently DI water in here, and we don't want that to dilute the arabinose solution that we just painstakingly made with this volumetric flask. So we're going to dump that out into the sink. Then we're going to use a small amount of arabinose. Rinse that out, get rid of the other DI water. And then there's going to be some bubbles in here, and you don't want those. So you're going to tilt it a little bit to each side to get rid of those bubbles, and this is called burping it.
Okay.
No more bubbles.
So to read the vernier scale that you see here through the lens, you want to first find that red dot. So that's your rough coarse reading, the line above the red dot. And to get the second and third, well, I guess second decimal place, you need to find two lines that actually line up between the top scale and the bottom scale, and that's gonna tell you where the what the number is for your last digit.
Here's our arabinose solution, partner.
Thank you. Okay, so first we have to gently put this in. Oh gosh. It doesn't matter which way it goes. Okay. So I'm going to actually do the reading while my partner is going to hold the flashlight steady. You ready? Ready, partner? Okay.
Can you see anything?
Nope. The thing you have to do is adjust this mirror so that you see the maximum amount of light through this little lens. Okay. And from there, you turn this dial until you find the dimmest light and the brightest light.